Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Capri Lilly, and I'm excited today for two reasons. One is because it's almost fall, and two, because I'll be showing you today how to make this delicious pumpkin dessert. It's almost fall, so you know what that means. Sweater weather, big scarves, holiday parties, and delicious pumpkin drinks and desserts are upon us. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this tasty treat. This is a great dessert to bring to any holiday party, and this is also just a great snack to have that's very nutrient rich. Because of the chia seeds and the almonds, it's super protein packed, and it's very easy to make. No bake, no oven, no mess. All you have to do is blend the ingredients that we have here, put them in your food processor or your blender, roll them into a nice ball, and then put them in the fridge. Later when they're hardened, you can enjoy them and have them as a snack, a midnight snack, a dessert, whatever you want. So let's jump right in and I'll show you exactly how to make these pumpkin energy balls. First, we're going to add all our base ingredients: the pumpkin, the oats, the honey and syrup, the almond butter, chia seeds, cinnamon, and extract. Now we're going to blend all the ingredients together. You'll start to see them form a thick consistency. Now we're going to add the almonds, and we're going to add the chocolate chips, and we're going to blend this for about 30 seconds just to break these up into the ingredients. And that's it. Now we're all done, and this should be the consistency you're looking for. It's pretty thick and it's sticky, so you see it doesn't fall off the spoon, and this is great so we can bind the ingredients together in a ball. So we're just about done, and the last thing we do before we put them in the fridge is we're going to top them off with some coconut shavings. We're just going to roll each of them into the coconut right before we put them in the fridge. And now we have our delicious pumpkin treat. I hope you like this video. I post videos weekly, and I hope to catch you next time.